That's your nephew.
Oh, baby's got a little girl.
This is Drip. Let's go.
It's another K-Town beat.
YouTube, it's your boy, Mr.Outliner. I'm back. Hey, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how we do it. If you don't follow me on IG, I suggest you do that. It's the same as my YouTube channel, Mr.Outliner. Follow me. Let me know you from YouTube. I follow you back. You know what I mean? But anyway, this is my stepson right here. I got him. This dude don't care about nothing but 2 lines on the side. 2 lines on the side, that's all he really care about. But anyway, so I started my guideline off a little funny here because at first I was gonna do a taping. Then I was like, I got too many taping videos. Let me do a drop fade, mid fade, skin fade, ball fade. Just depends on what area you in, you know, what part of the state you in. You're on the East Coast, they might call it something different, West Coast, you know, all that type of stuff. But down south, I'm gonna call this a mid fade, a mid ball fade. I never heard the term skin fade until somebody came and asked for the skin fade. It's kind of like a military thing if you ask me. But anyway, you know, we gonna make our first guideline. His hair is kind of curly and straight at the same time. But you see the texture of his hair at the top, it's naturally curly. Nothing is on it. That's just his hair, right? So it's straight. You see how on the side it's kind of straight. It just lays straight down. So you got kind of curly, straight. So it's kind of easy for me to work with because it's straight where I need it to be straight. And that's on the side. So anyway, you clean them up, get that first guideline. I use my rose gold effects right here to clean them up. Right here I got my Wahl anniversary edition. Good power on the clippers. I like them. The only thing I don't like about them is the run time. So, but anyway, we do it off the second guideline, open with no guard, come up about 1/2 inch, work our way around. Now, you go open to close. What I really want to do right here is knock out that first guideline, make sure it's faded properly, try to get it out as much as I can right here. So that's what you want to do. You want to focus on getting that line out. Now, after you do that, you want to take your 1 guard and you want to come up on that second guideline and make a 3rd guideline, right? You're going to make a 3rd guideline. You're going to go open to close, and you're just going to go against the grain of the hair. The hair is coming down, straight down, so we go straight up against the flow pattern of the hair. Now, on the other side, I'm going to slow it down a little bit so you can kind of see a little more what I'm doing. But on this side, it kind of came out blurry, so I sped it up. But on the other side, when it becomes a little bit clearer in just a second, then I'll slow it down so you can kind of see what I'm doing. But after you go open to close with the 1 guard, you come back, take the guard off, and clean up whatever else needs to be cleaned up. Now remember, sometimes when you make that hard first guideline, you got to kind of work it out, especially on this type of hair. So I went over it a couple times. Then right here, I got my 1.5 guard. I'm using it. I'm coming up, open to close, same thing. See that? You just want to work the bulk out. You see what I'm doing right here? And I'm going to open to close. And if you go open to close and you still have a bulk line under that, you come back with the 1 guard and you clean that up.
another K-Town beat.
Now, after you do that, you see the sides right there is kind of sticking out. I took my 2-guard and I came right up on the bolt where I thought it was at, and I made it lay down smooth. I went open to close right here too, but you want it to all blend just right. You want everything to lay down right. You know, you don't want everything sticking out on the side, hanging out like a helmet. You don't want his head to look like a helmet. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I made sure to knock that down because I want everything to look just right, symmetrically right. You know, people get in your comments and they get the same crazy stuff. You know what I mean? But anyway, back to the haircut on this side. I'm going to slow it down a little bit and I'm going to let y'all see what's going on. But we're going to repeat the same steps that we did on the other side. Now remember when you going back down on the steps after using the 1.5 back down to the 1 back down to no guard open, remember to go open to close. That's the main thing with this. And you can be able to see now, like on the fade right now, you can see exactly where you need to take the lines away so the fade can come together. So just remember to always go open to close, because that's what I'm doing in all the steps right here. This will save you a lot of time, stop you from doing a lot of mistakes, and then you can get to where you're going a lot faster.
It's another K-Town beat.
Okay, and as for the back, I didn't show a video of the back because I wanted to shorten the video, but basically you do the same thing on the back what you did on the sides. And as long as you got your guideline right, the fade will come out even. So it's important to make that first guideline correct. Now, after we're done with the sides and the back, you want to start off with the edge up. Now, he's thin in the front, so I don't even use enhancements on them or anything like that. But you want to start in the middle and work your way over. Stand directly in front of the client if you can. If not, stand off to the side a little bit, but try to stand in front of them as much as possible. Make that line from the middle to the left or the right. Come back, you hit the sides, make the sides connect with the top line. So that's what we're doing right here. Then you want to get the corner as sharp as possible without compromising the edge up. You don't want to compromise the edge up. You gotta make sure you don't do that. Now, so you see what I'm doing? It's natural. This is a natural line. You don't have to do anything to like force the line. Once you learn how to make good sharp edges, you don't have to push the line up back or anything like that. So we're using a natural line. See this right here? He hardly has any hair right here, you can see it, but I still know how to make the line natural. And that's what you want to do, especially when you're dealing with kids' haircuts. Kids' haircuts, you got to be careful because you mess their line up while they're young. When they get older, boy, it's terrible. And right here, I'm cleaning up hair that's hanging over because I want the line to be pronounced. I want it to pop out, right? So right here, on the other side, we do the same thing. We come from the middle, start all the way over, work it till we get to the edge. Then we come back, we make the line on the side to connect to the top. And you see those two lines I was telling y'all about in the beginning? You see the two lines right there on the side? That's all he care about, is those two lines right there. He don't even care like about the rest of that, because he wants those two lines. But anyway, after you get that, you see that it's kind of sharp right there. Now I want to make this line right here connect to that line, that top line, to make that short. You know what I'm saying? He jumped right there a little bit, said these were a little short. Cool, I got it. Slowed my roll on it a little bit. Sometimes I can tend to be a little heavy-handed, but you know, it's all, you know, it's an adjustment sometimes. So anyway, you make those two lines connect, clean it up. See the fade looking nice. Now watch me pop these two lines in there. Boop, boop, boop. Now we got the lines in there. Boy, popping, man. He popping, man. Look at it. Look at my boy, man. Gucci with it, man. Look at him. Then we gonna hit him with this. I got this product that I got off Amazon that one of my clients told me about. Now, it's a gel. It makes your hair look wet, but it's actually dry. And I used a lot of products, and they didn't tell me about it. My client told me. I don't know these people, but the product works very well. So first thing you want to do is you want to wet it. We already got a curly, it'll curl up by itself. That's it right there. It's called Gummy, right? Just Gummy, like Gummy Bear. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in my description. You see that? Boom, you put it in, you just rub it right in. You don't have to do that much, just rub it right in. See how it came out? Boom, voila. The boy right. Anyway, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how we do it. If you don't follow me on IG, you should do that. Hit me up. Follow me, I got you. Until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. I'm out.